Very afternoon, welcome all. Pleased to inform the general public that as of midnight and effective 1st of January, there'll be a reduction in fuel and LPG prices. Motor spirits is going down from $2.11 down to $1.90 per litre, a decrease of about 21 cents per litre, and premix from $1.99 to $1.78, and that's again a decrease of about 21 cents per litre. Diesel from $1.64 down to $1.50, decrease of 14 cents per litre. We've also, the reduction in the prices are basically for, as I said, for motor spirits, premix and diesel, but kerosene, kerosene is actually going up. The actual increase in kerosene is by 8% from $1.25 to $1.35. LPG is also decreased. On average, is about a 3% across the board, and the new prices are 4.5 kg cylinder from $12.97 to $12.52, a decrease of 45 cents, and 12 kg cylinder from $34.58 to $33.38, a decrease of $1.20, and bulk per kg from $2.32 to $2.25, and that's a decrease of about 7 cents. And auto gas per litre from $1.63 to $1.58, and a decrease of 5 cents. The major reason for the price reduction is the benefit of VAT reductions from 15% to 9%, without which Fiji would have experienced a price increase actually for all LPG products. And this is basically help cushion the effect of the rising butane prices. Good news for all the consumers. The fuel prices are going down, and as I said, the only thing that has gone up is kerosene. But again, while we enjoy the reduction in prices of fuel, we need to be mindful as consumers and be responsible and use fuel wisely. We all need to actually collectively contribute towards carbon emissions. I think the goal is 30% by 2030, and that's actually the pledge from the PM. The consumption of fuel is a significant contributor to carbon dioxide emissions and climate change patterns, as you can witness around the world today. The government's committed to improving and maintaining a clean, pristine environment. So, word of warning to all consumers: please be careful around. If we get all these price decreases, we've had substantial price decreases throughout the year. Please be careful how you actually use the fuel. Again, Fijian government is also in the final stages of finalizing the new fuel standards for Fiji to improve the quality of fuel also. And cleaner fuel will lead to longer engine and engine life for all the vehicles that we actually have, and reduction in maintenance costs. That'll happen shortly. Again, we're a price taker on the commodities such as fuel and LPG products, international market, and progressive policies like the VAT reduction announced in the 2016 budget enabled the government to ease the burden on the Fijian consumers. So we've got more disposable income and savings. Let's hope it's going to be savings rather than them spending all their money for New Year's. But good news all around for consumers. Thank you.